trying to find out if it was across the line, because he could have had the face-off go already and just said, I stopped play.
Well, he loses sight of the puck, and he is in the act of blowing the whistle. He's got the right to call the goal back. Even if the video shows that it's in, if he's in the act, it's no goal. I've always argued this, Glenn. I understand that's the rule, but if you look at how many times, the only time the clock stops during the game is when the whistle goes. And too often, goals are disallowed because the referee was thinking about blowing it and not actually blowing it. With Hossa in there digging hard, it's going to be a tough one to say. I would say they're waving it off there, saying it's no goal is probably what's going to be the end result.
Here.
Good job.
Oh, she got it to go again.
So the first goal of the hockey game, it's O'Halloran who's behind the net, who makes a call that is a cross-check by Ference on Hanzus, so that's a good goal in stance. And now they switch sides. Now it's
She waited for it to come closer to
he's
her.
got to make this call one shift later.
Oh, she can't get that
It's
one.
not like Ron McLean who became a referee.
It's Chris King, who he was talking to upstairs along
What
with
is it?
Mike Murphy of the National Hockey League. And here's Wes McCauley with the call. After reviewing the play, the call on the ice there is no goal.
No.
So he decided he was stopping play. And that's a great
She's not like going like this, she's just happy.
15-3. And they're behind in the game 1-0, not 2.
And Jim, you were asking about energy. Where do you find it? What gives you that little bit of a jump? You can sense that early goal for the Chicago Blackhawks has them on their toes. And as Glenn mentioned, too far for the Boston Bruins in their own zone, back on their heels, not moving their legs, turning pucks over. And Joel Quenneville's not a happy man. Well, I had the same situation at a playoff game that I played.
Gonna change her
And
angle.
it was Alex Kovalev down, Joe Sakic on a 2-on-1. He scored, and Van Helleman was in the act of blowing the whistle. The puck
Get it.
went in.
Look.
Sorry, Andy.
She understands now.
That is a potential game-changing decision that's made by Wes McCauley.
Series changing.
And you're right, Niels, the Bruins better get playing now. They're gonna play.
She's bored. She just went nuts on it, Jared. She's so mad she can't fight it. Look at her tail.
Got it.
Gonna have her fighting eyes on.